The all-new Toyota Tundra, TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro. A new era of truck that boasts power, efficiency, and durability. The new definition of grit. The new Tundra lineup is ingeniously engineered to help you conquer every highway, dirt road, or rocky trail with confidence. Easily tow up to 12,000 pounds with the brand new, powerful I-Force engine, so you can haul your latest toys, even if they're supersized. The interior of the Tundra lets you captain your truck comfortably with available 8-way power heated front seats with power lumbar 4-way support, available in a premium Softex finishing. Connect to your world through the new Toyota multimedia system with cloud navigation on the available 14-inch screen, or make the most of your time with Intelligent Assistant, which allows you to use natural language to interact with your vehicle and control various functions, from checking the weather at your next road trip destination to dictating a text message to your friends. Hey Toyota! Tundra is here to protect you and your family. All Tundra models come standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5, which offers an advanced suite of active safety features that are designed to support your awareness and decision-making while driving. Advanced pre-collision systems warn you about oncoming pedestrians or vehicles and provide emergency braking and steering assistance. The dynamic radar cruise control has been further enhanced to include curve speed management and lane tracing assist and automatic high beams, all of which give you more confidence on the road.
It may share the same I-Force name, but Tundra's new engine is light years ahead of the previous 5.7-liter V8. This all-new 3.5-liter V6 is not only more efficient, but more powerful as well. It's all thanks to a new turbocharged design. Put simply, turbocharging uses a process called forced induction, which basically involves adding a compressor fan that enables the engine to take in much more air and fuel than it would naturally, giving it an on-demand ability to effectively become bigger than it really is. Through this, we can get power output like a big V8 when it's needed, and the efficiency of a regular V6 when it's not. In its core configuration, this engine can produce 389 horsepower and a whopping 479 pound-feet of torque. More importantly, however, is that this new mountain of torque also occurs much lower in the power band, with a flat torque curve that has peak torque coming in at just 2,400 RPM. This low-end grunt makes it vastly more usable for both everyday driving and heavy-duty situations, since the engine doesn't need to be revved up to redline to deliver its full power. Part of the reason Tundra's turbochargers can perform like this is thanks to their electric wastegate system. Wastegate valves are what determine the turbocharger's behavior, and this electric design allows for precise operation that ensures optimum responsiveness, power, and efficiency, whether the vehicle is starting up, cruising under low load, or at maximum acceleration. Naturally, a pair of high-tech turbochargers isn't all this engine has to offer. With an engine this advanced, cooling is everything. Up on top of the engine, there's a water-cooled intercooler system, which uses radiators on either side of the primary radiator to cool airflow and improve turbocharger performance. Similarly, a water-cooled exhaust manifold is integrated into the cylinder heads to help keep engine temperatures under control, as does an electronically controlled fan coupler. Meanwhile, a new D4ST dual-injection fuel system further enhances efficiency by using both direct and port injection methods to handle fuel going in, while a pair of catalytic converters mounted immediately after each turbocharger helps manage exhaust gas emissions as it comes out. And even the piston structure itself has been redesigned to reduce friction and improve longevity. Naturally, performance and efficiency are kept in mind for the engine itself, which can be seen in the lightweight design of key components, like the hollow camshafts and the aluminum die-cast cylinder heads. All told, this is one seriously advanced engine. But what if that wasn't enough? Well then, meet Toyota's first I-Force Max. It builds on the amazing I-Force engine by adding an all-new hybrid electric power system. But this is no hybrid vehicle as you know it. This one-motor hybrid system is designed not just for efficiency, but also power. By adding a healthy helping of electric torque into the mix, I-Force Max puts Tundra's power output into the stratosphere. Ready for the numbers? 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. And yes, it's still served up at that perfect low RPM range for incredible usability and acceleration. Plus, thanks to the electric motor's immediate torque response, there's no discernible lag as the turbochargers spool up, so all that power feels instantaneous. The icing on the cake is that, yes, it's a hybrid, so efficiency figures are also incredible. And don't forget, that efficiency comes from the same powertrain that also makes nearly 600 pound-feet of torque. Again, this is a completely different design from previous Toyota hybrids. A parallel hybrid system with a motor generator and clutch located between the engine and standard torque-converting automatic transmission. Even the hybrid battery design is enhanced, located under the rear seat and featuring a comprehensive cooling system that optimizes durability and cabin comfort. But ultimately, this entire system is designed to deliver that perfect balance of refinement, power, and efficiency in any situation, whether that's pulling a boat up a hill or circling the parking lot using only the electric motor. First up, the transmission. This critical component is responsible for taking the power from the engine and sending it out to the wheels at exactly the right speed for the situation, whether that's cruising the highway or climbing over a boulder. And for the new Tundra, there's no shortage of gears to choose from, since this automatic transmission features 10 different forward speeds. This transmission features a brand new extra flat torque converter that's designed to reduce slip loss for excellent efficiency, while simultaneously delivering an excellent shifting feel through its responsive direct solenoid setup. Everything about this transmission has been designed with efficiency, durability, and performance in mind. That's why the case is being made from strong and lightweight aluminum. It's why the oil circulation system is designed to maintain pressure and flow under a wide range of situations. And it's even why a breather valve is mounted high up to help keep water from entering the transmission during serious off-roading. Tundra is a Toyota, and that means off-roading is in its DNA. That's why every grade can be equipped with Toyota's four-wheel demand part-time four-wheel drive system. This system uses a transfer case to direct engine power to the front differential, which can then provide additional traction from the front wheels to keep Tundra going when the going gets rough. And as icing on the cake, engaging four-wheel drive now occurs twice as fast as in the previous generation. Plus, since this is a two-speed transfer case, it can also activate a low-range gear ratio when in four-wheel drive mode, which multiplies available torque to help Tundra clear especially challenging obstacles. And heading to the rear wheels, a redesigned and strengthened two-piece propeller shaft features enlarged joints to accommodate Tundra's increased torque output, while short wheelbase models now feature a lighter one-piece prop shaft. Naturally, the rear end itself is completely new as well, with TRD off-road 4x4 models now featuring an electronically locking rear differential, a first for Tundra. This feature can lock the power flow so that it splits evenly to both left and right rear wheels, meaning that the adventure won't end if one gets stuck spinning in the mud. It goes far beyond locking differentials, however, with this new drivetrain helping provide Tundra with a number of advanced available features. Offered on SR5 grades and above, these include situation-specific drive modes that affect transmission and drivetrain behavior, including not just the usual sport and eco modes, but also two distinct tow-haul settings depending on the job at hand. Also new for the Tundra line is Multi-Terrain Select, an available feature that allows drivers to customize the traction behavior based on various environments like snow or sand, as well as Crawl Control, an available system that can manage acceleration and braking in one of 5 low-speed settings, allowing drivers to focus on steering and navigating. True to pickup truck form, Tundra's construction remains a body-on-frame design for maximum capability and durability. But for this new generation, a wide range of engineering enhancements have helped Tundra achieve an optimal balance between strength and weight, as well as improved rust resistance, driving refinement, and structural safety. This next-generation frame technology achieves this thanks in large part to the use of a box section design that provides increased rigidity over the previous open section C-shaped design. Despite the added strength, this frame's mass is kept under control through the use of laser-welded blanks, a technique that allows for a range of variable thicknesses, seamlessly increasing strength where it's needed most and saving mass where it's not. Even the overall dimensions have been optimized, with a new, wider structure offering great stability while towing. So with this new frame forming its backbone, Tundra brings greater stability, ride comfort, and durability than ever before. Even on the outside, Tundra's next-gen engineering is evident. Every body panel and component has been carefully engineered to provide great durability and longevity, while keeping weight to a minimum and performance to a maximum. That's why there's an increase in rust-resistant wax in the rocker cavities, as well as damping coat and primer on the underbody. And it's also why the hood and front door structures are made with rust-resistant aluminum. The same goes for the resin deck and tailgate components, which work alongside aluminum reinforcements to provide an exceptionally strong, long-lasting pickup bed that can take day after day of hard work. This increased use of aluminum and resin is a big part of Tundra's new body, but it's not the whole story. Ultra-high-strength steel also plays a role here, with its usage seen in the cabin reinforcements and crossmembers, while even the spot welding pitch has been shortened to optimize body panel thickness, keeping excess weight to a minimum without sacrificing in-cabin refinement or safety. Tundra's noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH, has been further reduced by additional coverage area for the silencer materials installed throughout the floor and cabin, including a redesigned dash panel with a new triple-layer silencer. All of this comes together to ensure Tundra delivers a refined, comfortable ride, on or off the road. It's not all about the body and frame, though. It may stay true to its full-size pickup roots, but this Tundra is a serious showcase of modern engineering wherever you look. One of the most noteworthy examples of this can be seen in the rear suspension, which now features a multi-link layout, which is rarely used in a pickup truck segment that typically relies on a more utilitarian leaf spring suspension design. This setup provides incredible road manners and towing stability without losing any payload capacity, and also helps allow for the use of the more advanced suspension systems available on select Tundra grades, as well as a range of grade-specific performance upgrades. Even the previous hydraulic steering system has been replaced with a new rack-mounted electronic power steering design that not only provides a smoother steering feel, but also allows for the implementation of Tundra's amazing drive mode customizations and active safety and driver assistance features. With this new suspension and steering, it's clear this is a seriously tough machine designed for a whole new era of capability.
Effortlessly claw through any terrain with available multi-terrain select and crawl control. Available as 3-mode or 5-mode, depending on your model. And the Toyota Tundra takes it to a whole new level with its next-generation fully boxed frame, engineered with enhanced manufacturing methods to provide a lighter, stronger foundation. The cutting-edge steel frame is paired with a multi-link suspension system with hydraulic cab mounts expertly designed to significantly enhance rigidity and comfort while tackling the toughest landscapes. This era of Tundra introduces a new champion to the arena, the iForce Max engine, available on select models. Now, you can experience the same rugged sophistication you expect from your Tundra with exceptional strength and incredible drive performance, paired with efficient hybrid power capabilities. Whether you're towing a large trailer or have a bed full of hockey equipment, the Tundra drives with the same confidence and ease because the iForce Max can output up to 583 pound-feet of torque, providing the extra power and reducing lag while driving on any elevation. Grit is more than just dirt roads and muddy tires. It's premium design and ever-stronger towing performance, enhanced by intelligent hybrid technology. The all-new Toyota Tundra, the new definition of grit.
Even though it owns just a fraction of the full-size pickup truck market in the United States, the Toyota Tundra has a passionate following. So, a complete makeover for the first time since 2007 is a big deal for a small audience. In pickup terms, Toyota has devoted its energies to bringing the Tundra up to date with its competition, while sharpening the character that made the truck satisfying on its own terms. According to Tundra's chief engineer Mike Sweers, the new Tundra is literally all new, sharing no parts with the outgoing model. When pressed on this point, Sweers adamantly stated that even such innocuous pieces, like turn signal stalks, had been reworked and updated in Tundra's redesign. Designers massaged Tundra's exterior into a more dynamic, expressive look. It wears a large hexagonal grille, which will be filled with trim-matched patterns and branding. The new Toyota Tundra appeals to a slightly different audience, particularly those loyal to Toyota. Most half-done pickups have a sturdy, albeit antiquated, leaf spring rear suspension. The Tundra features coil springs out back. It'll make the truck ride and drive much better than most. Plus, it can still tow up to 12,000 pounds, and comes standard with a suite of driver assists. Unlike its domestic rivals, the Tundra isn't available with a V8. The lone engine option is a twin-turbo V6, but it's available with a hybrid system that produces 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. With a cabin that's considerably prettier than its predecessor, and an infotainment system that offers a 14.0-inch touchscreen, there are numerous reasons the new Tundra has the goods to take on the Americans' pickup trucks.